I lived in New York City my whole life. I lived through 9/11, I lived through the blackout, I lived through Sandy. So I started reading about disaster management, and I learned this term, left of the boom. The boom is the disaster. And if you're left of it, you prevent it. And if you're right of it, you work to mitigate the disaster after it's happened. The next disaster will be climate. What can we do left of the boom to make a difference?
My name is Tia Gordon, and I am the co-founder of It's Electric. It's Electric is electric vehicle charging specifically built for cities. We came to NewLab because we needed to pilot. And what's going on inside is that there's hundreds of companies like It's Electric building crazy things and finding ways for those crazy things to make their way out into the world. NewLab partners with city agencies, with private entities, with corporations to be able to find the need side of the equation, the funding side of the equation, and to bring this together.
I grew up designing clothes, and I was really excited to finally be joining this industry that I loved. And while I was at school, I learned how every single stage of production of the clothes that we wear have enormous impacts on our planet. Our mission is to make the fashion industry compatible with nature. So we're creating performance textile fibers that are biodegradable for color and performance without plastics and water pollution. I can't tell you how pivotal it has been for our company to be able to work on machinery that can translate to industrial manufacturing systems. We've been able to create that here and produce fibers on a whole different level.
Individual commute has a significant impact on individual carbon footprint. 50 to 60% of all urban passenger commutes are between 3 to 6 miles. What we are trying to do is say that, hey, a bicycle is perfect for that. You can impact your individual carbon footprint by between 15 to 20% easily. And that stacks up. Being here, you're part of this much larger network that NewLab connects you to, which brings us some of our most avid advocates and champions.
I think of NewLab in many ways as a convener of the powers that are needed to make change for technology in urban spaces. And they're the ones who have helped us move furthest, fastest.